Hi everyone. So my name is Priyam Saha, and this is my solution. That's GrabMart. GrabMart is basically an automated, multimodal navigation experience for end users that makes using uh, e-commerce a lot more easier compared to the traditional way of selecting products, adding them to cart, and purchasing them, right? So, what it does is that it allows you to chat with a conversational agent in natural language in the form of image uploads or in the form of audio as well. And and a couple of um, like particular fine-tuned cases where we are using agentic approaches. Pick and pick pick and pick is where you just click a picture and you um, find out and you pick from similar matches from a web search. So basically we are using SERP API to fetch shopping suggestions from Google Shopping, right? Because we don't have access to the Grab internal databases. So let us try out pick and pick. Essentially, we have some sample pictures, like a picture of some potatoes. Let us try out this. You don't have to write down anything else. Let's see what it gives us. It is going to take some time, but it's going to worth it. It's going to be worth it. It's taking more time than usual. Okay, so I have to probably just delete the runtime and then restart a session. Let me do that. Oh, sorry. Let me just run the backend app.py. It started. Just refresh. Let me clear the chat so that we can start afresh. Again, let us try out pick and pick. Let us click the same picture and feed it to the system. Let us see if this turns out properly this time. I just noticed in the middle that okay, it's gone good. So basically, we have all potatoes, no hallucination, at least in this respect, right? Now, the second agentic solution that we are providing is the pantry replenishment agent. So essentially, like we would upload like a picture of our fridge or maybe our cupboard, just show it what we have, and it's going to try figure out that what are the things that are missing or maybe getting used up. So it's going to make us suggestions uh, to sort of like replenish the used up products, or maybe the the products which are near completion, or maybe it could provide us uh, food items which are closely related to what we have in our pantry. For example, if you look at these suggestions, all of these are like fruit based products, right? Like some are sauces as well, and that's what we had fed it here. Like we had essentially fed it like some uh, fruits and vegetables image, right? And the last part is that we could go for an auto ordered agentic approach. What it does is that it analyzes all the previous purchase history and it is going to come up with suggestions that would comprise of products which we would probably need by now. Like those products would have probably been replenished so far, and this is what it's providing me as of now. Like these results are not that good because in the history section we don't have a lot of results. Like I haven't used it for a good enough time, to be honest. Now if I'm to like I mean, at each stage, like after each conversation turn, I can either place an order or I could just continue to look out for other search results as well. So let me just go ahead and place an order. Let's see what it does. Okay, so we have to essentially like add an item before placing an order. That was my bad. Okay, so as you can see, this is already like added in our uh, historical archives, right? So what we can also do is we can provide a feedback as to how good or bad the product had been, right? So let us rate it like a 1 star, and then let us say, or maybe like let us rate it 4 star, like it's a jam. Let's say good. Like if we are like rating it very high, then I don't think we need to like provide photos of damage or like rotten food or something like that. So let's do that. Okay, it says like something like feedback received for order number this, and uh, there's no essential direction as to whether my feedback, like my reimbursement request, has been approved or declined, or there's a re-ask, there's a follow-up, because essentially there's no feedback raised at all because it's more than 2 stars. Like I've programmed it this way that if it's less than 2 stars, it's going to trigger that. Let us do it for the potatoes, say for example. Let us say that the potatoes were damaged, like rotten potatoes. Let us search for a picture of rotten potato on the web. Let us actually try out something. Let us try out this image. And let us see how it goes to our model and what um, result we achieve. Let us see. So now, as you can see, the button label has also changed. Now it says submit a refund claim. So yes, we want refund. We have purchased potatoes and they are like really bad. That's what we are reporting. And the AI decision is that the reimbursement has been accepted. Why it has been accepted? Because the uploaded picture shows a potato that's been completely rotten, and then if we like compare this with the brand reputation, it's not that good. I mean, the product has 2.3 star rating and has barely around 1,000 reviews. So it could be possible that um, the product is really bad, right? It's just 1,000 reviews and the rating is like 2.3. So it means probably many people have not been satisfied with the product, with the quality of potatoes, right? And that's the reason why our reimbursement request has been accepted. So this is what our product looks like. Um, thank you so much. And lastly, I mean, I should say this, like I'm really thankful to all my mentors and Rishabh Bhaiya and both Ryan Bhaiya, like both of them. And also like there was a Bhaiya from data science department, I forgot his name. Like all three of them have helped me a lot in this direction. Thanks.